Hey guys, today I'm back with these I Love You Snow Much nails. If you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting all of my nails a light blue. And then with this polish from Smelters to Kelly and my Moyu London snow stamping plate, I just stamped this giant snowflake. And then with Colour Club's Halo Hues in Blue Haven, I just stamped the smaller snowflake. And I did that 3 times. And then back in with that Smelters to Kelly polish, I stamped the I Love You Snow Much and stamped that on my finger. Then for my index and pinky fingers, I just applied some liquid latex around my nail. Then with a sponge, I just used that Smelters to Kelly polish and then that Colour Club polish and then the base coat. And once that was done, I just smudged it on my nail, dab in the gradient. And then I applied 3 coats of that. And then once I was happy with the gradient, I just peeled off that liquid latex. And finally I applied a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these icy blue I Love You Snow Much nails. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!